Tommy is the no-arm Chinese fellow, no arms at all. He's a manager of the streets of the unseen business, and he is in the Wall House. The Wall House is kind of the unseen business kind of supply warehouse, and the warehouse is for the streets, the unseen business. The Wall House warehouse. Anyway, he's in there and he's complaining up a storm. He's missing a couple of toenails. His hair is standing out, kind of like that. And he says your weather device malfunctioned. He needed overcast skies for a staged event he was working on. And the guy said, well, it's a finely tuned device. You must have done something wrong. You hit the lightning button. No, he didn't. It's my lightning bolt, Tommy. I don't like you.